Tax research and planning mean working through complex regulations that change all the time. In this module, you will see how AI can speed up your research, help you structure your analysis, and make your tax communication clearer while you stay responsible for every conclusion. By the end, you will be able to research tax rules efficiently with AI, structure planning memos, keep up with tax law changes, document your positions, and explain tax matters to clients in plain language. The big idea to hold on to from the start is simple. AI is a fast assistant for orientation and structure, but it is not your source of authority. You will verify everything against primary sources. Let us start with research. Tax professionals deal with constantly changing rules, huge volumes of guidance, and real-time pressure to answer clients. AI helps with the early stages, orienting you on a topic, summarizing complex guidance, identifying relevant considerations, and structuring your analysis. But there is a critical limitation. AI may not have current tax law. Its knowledge has a cut-off date, and tax law changes frequently, so you always verify against authoritative sources. Here is the lessons research template. You fill in the entity type, the relevant facts, and the tax year, then ask for the rules, key considerations, planning opportunities, common pitfalls, and areas needing more research. Notice the note at the bottom that tells the AI you will verify all citations. That instruction is part of doing this responsibly. Once you have done your research, AI is excellent at helping you structure a tax planning memo. A good memo follows a clear shape, and this template lays it out for you. You give the topic, the client type, the primary issue, and the key facts. Then ask for the standard structure: issues presented, a short conclusion, the facts, the applicable law in overview, the analysis, and conclusions with recommendations. You can also ask for a professional tone and a target length. The same approach works for issue-specific memos, like comparing entity types or analyzing the tax implications of a transaction. And again, the note matters. You tell the AI that you will independently verify all citations and technical positions because the structure is AI's job and the accuracy is yours. Tax law keeps moving, so part of the job is staying current and getting changes in front of clients fast. AI can help you summarize new legislation or guidance, pulling out the main changes, effective dates, who is affected, and action items, all framed as an executive summary. It can also turn that into a client alert. With this template, you give the change, its effective date, and which clients it touches, and you ask for an attention-grabbing headline, a plain language explanation of what changed, who is affected, what clients should do, and how you can help. You set the tone to informative but not alarmist, and keep it to about 400 to 500 words. As always, verify the details against the actual legislation before anything goes out. A lot of tax work is translation. You understand the technical answer, but the client needs it in plain language. AI is genuinely good at this. With this template, you tell it the client's question and the actual technical answer, then ask for an explanation that answers directly, uses plain language, avoids unnecessary jargon, explains why the rule exists when that helps, and includes the practical implications. You can lean on the same idea to simplify a tough concept, like the qualified business income deduction, into one clear paragraph, a simple example with realistic numbers, and a few key takeaways. The point is that you supply the correct technical answer and let AI make it accessible, rather than asking AI to figure out the tax for you. The lesson also gives you targeted prompts for specific situations, so you can go beyond general research. For individual tax planning, this template takes a client's filing status, income and sources, deductions, investments, and life events. Then asks AI to suggest income timing strategies, deduction optimization, investment tax efficiency, retirement considerations, and estate planning implications. There are parallel prompts for business tax covering deductions, timing, credits, depreciation, and exit planning, and for multi-state tax covering nexus, apportionment, filing requirements, and credits for taxes paid to other states. These give you a strong, structured starting point for each scenario. The strategies AI surfaces are candidates to evaluate with your professional judgment, not final advice you hand straight to the client. Here is the habit that ties this whole module together: verification. AI tax research needs checking because tax law changes frequently. The model may have outdated information, and citations can be incorrect or even fabricated. So use AI for structure and orientation, then verify every citation, check effective dates carefully, and apply your own judgment before anything becomes work product. This prompt helps. You paste the AI's research and ask it to flag the specific citations to verify, the dates to confirm, recent changes that could affect conclusions, and the authoritative sources to consult. Try it yourself right now. Use the interactive prompt playground on this lesson page at Free Academy AI, or paste it into an assistant like ChatGPT or Claude and turn AI into a faster, safer research partner.